swapped the figure on the caboose I'm putting together, and I've cut out his back so that he's got a crank in there. So I've got that wire running through a hole in the front or the end wall of the caboose, and the two wires from the lead in his hand are running out his heel and just going into right down on the base there of that near the floor, so that they're inside. There's the two wires down below, and there's the other little crank wire, so we're going to fit him in there now. I'm going to put him back up. Okay, so he's mounted there now, and I'll just use tweezers to pull this in and out, and there's his arm movement. And we just got to connect up the power to him there now. That's a 4.7k resistor going off to that little surface mount LED in the hand lantern. Now that's the way he's going to wave it. And down here I've got the motor that I'm putting together there. I'll just turn that on. That's on F1. Now there's the motor. I've got this little lead testing. So that's on 2 for his hand lantern. Turn that on and off. 1 is the motor. So we turn his hand lantern on and off. F3, F4. No leads on, so I've got to do the marker lights at the back yet. So I've mounted those in there now. The marker lights are in the back here now. I've just got to connect those up. I'll do those in series. And now we've got the marker lights up. Red to the back, and I've got yellow to the side, so they're on F3. We just turn those ones on and off as we want. Okay, so we've got him going there now. The motor inside, and he's waving his little hand lantern, which we can turn on and off as we want to do. On and off, on, and we've got the marker lights at the back. They're going. So he's now in there, and we can put the roof on and that. Inside, there's the motor down in there. Just moving around in there, backwards and forwards. Put a capacitor in there with the FL4 decoder. So a little bit of grinding noise from the gears, but with the steam locomotive going and other sounds, that'll sort of be hidden. But anyhow, that's not too bad. Got him going up there now, so we turn him on. Get him going again. Waving. We stop him. Get him going again. So he can wave his lantern. He's not waving it very fast, and that's what I like about movements. So I can get them as subtle as I can. And the motor is sitting in there, just working backwards and forwards. Just a little pull me, push me. I've just got to connect up the wipers on the underside there to get track power. I'm just using the NCE at the moment. I've just got test sleeves here connecting up to it. So there he goes. We'll just stop it there. Oh, that's it. There he is on the layout. We can test him out, so it's all working there. All the lights are working. Then we can turn turn his light on or off, and the marker lights on or off. And he's waving. We can stop that. Get it going again. He's just waving to the engineer that we can take off.